So how do you download the app market on your Android phone? Let me explain it. And if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So of course you want to download some additional apps to your phone, to your Android device. And there are technically more ways how you're going to do this, but the vast majority of people and literally all of the apps are going to be part of the built-in app market, which is called Google Play or Play Store. So this is what it looks like. You can see the icon with the play button. It is pre-installed on your device, or you can go to the app drawer in here and find it in it there. You can open it up and literally every app is going to be part of this. The only condition is that you have to be signed in with your Google account. You have to do that, and then you'll be able to basically get any app you want, whatever it might be. You can download it from this app market. And yes, in the past it used to be called Android market, so I know, or I get it, why it might be a little bit confusing, but it is now called the Play Store. On the other hand, since this is a Samsung device, there is also another app market available, and it is called the Galaxy Store. This icon which says store below, you can tap it, and this is yet another place where you can download and install apps on your device from a different place. And in here you just have to be signed in with your Samsung account. So again, a very same principle, but two app markets already present on my phone, and there isn't really much else that I would need, right? Outside of that, you can also just download the APK installation files from the internet, which would kind of look like this. If I go to my file browser, you can see we have the installation files, and if there is something as with the .apk extension, it is an app which you can install on your Android outside of the app market.